Hi guys, so this is going to be a quick recap video. So this video is if you missed Dennis's lesson today, or if you just need a refresher or you couldn't see the screen, this is just going to be a quick 5-minute video showing you how to draw the 2x1 that we did in class today. So the first thing you're going to do is select the front plane. So you come over here, front plane, select it, and you'll see it turns a different color. The second thing we're going to do is come over here to the viewport cube, and you can see front, top, right. We're just going to select front, and that will set this front plane perpendicular to your screen, so it's a lot easier to draw on. Now we're going to come up over here to the sketch button, hit create sketch, and this will open up a sketch panel over here. Now because we already have this front plane selected, it created sketch 1 on this front plane. So now the next thing you need to do is hit R for rectangle. That creates a center point rectangle. And when we start a new drawing, we're always going to start at the origin, so this center point over here. So you'll see that when I hover my cursor over it, it becomes yellow and it draws a rectangle around it. So if you don't know the keyboard shortcuts, you can come over here and hover over it, and then you can see here it says corner rectangle. There's a little G icon, and then when you hover over it, it also has a tooltip. So in brackets you can see G, and this one is R. So for this example, I'm going to use the center point rectangle. So I'll go ahead and hit R on my keyboard. Starting from the origin, click, drag it out, and click once again. And now we can dimension this. So you'll see here we're going to start at the top. So I'm going to hit D on my keyboard. Or you can come up over here, dimension, again in brackets D. And then I'm going to hover over the line that I want to dimension, click it once, drag it out, click again, and then enter in my dimension. So let's go with 1 inch. And now we'll do the same for the vertical side. So we're still in the dimension tool because we didn't select anything else. And so I'm going to hover over my line, click it, drag it, click again, hit 2 inches. And you can see here that I have my 1 and my 2. Now the next part that we need to do is offset inwards this wall here. So the easiest way to do that is using the offset tool. So you can come over here to offset, or you can hit O on your keyboard. That's what I'm going to do. So now that I'm in the offset tool, you can easily just select all, and you'll see that it creates these 4 lines that are offset from the first selection. Now it may come on the outside, that's fine. You can just grab this arrow here and drag it inwards. And then we want to lock this in at 1/8, which is 0.125. And then hit enter, and you're good. And you can see here it gives me the option to left click, and that will confirm your sketch, or you can come over here, hit the green check mark, and that will also confirm the sketch. Okay, so now we have these two rectangles, the 2x1 and our offset. And I'm just going to hit P to hide the plane. Now we want to extrude just this outer one. So I'm going to come over here to the feature tree, hit sketch 1, and then I'm going to come up over here to extrude, or Control-Shift-E. So go ahead and hit that on your keyboard. And you'll see that because we have sketch 1 selected, it knows to only select this outer ring, or extrusion you could call it. And then for the depth, we're going to go 19 inches. Now I can come over here to my viewport cube and hit the corner. That'll view it in ISO. And there you go. You have your first 2x1.